Good morning to all the emperors there in Hong Kong. I am Josie De La Torre. I am 33 years old. I am 55 kilograms and 167 centimeter. I live in Solsona, Ilocos Norte. My religion is Roman Catholic. My father's name is Roberto De La Torre. My mother's name is Los De La Torre. I have 3 sisters and 3 brothers. I am in the 7th in the family. I am a single mother of 1 boy, 11 years old. My work experience is in Saudi Arabia. I work from August 31, 2021 to November 3, 2023. My duty and responsibilities is working, cleaning the house, cooking, and washing clothes, ironing. I serve 8 members in the family, the husband and wife, and the 6 children. Children ages 35, 30, 28, 25, 20, and 18. We are 2 workers in the family, me and 1 Indonesian. But mom and sir, I am willing to take good care of the children and babies. I am willing to cook Chinese food. I am looking forward to work with you, madam and sir, because I am obedient, hardworking, and honest. I am looking forward to work with you, madam and sir. Thank you and God bless.